Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is actually our third video we're doing today. And the weather's really cleared up. It was raining all morning when we did Fort and Jousting Part 2. But now it's pretty nice out. So we're actually doing paper airplane battle today.
It's our first one ever.
Yeah, and Dash and I both made our planes, so here's one plane. I don't know what to call it yet. And this one might look like horrible, but it flies really well. Because I actually made these out of cardstock so they'd be more durable. And I forgot cardstock doesn't fold, and I folded this front thing like 5 times. So it's like all like weird and messed up. But it actually flies pretty well.
Same with this.
Yeah. Yeah, show them your planes.
And so this, I'm gonna call it like maybe the rocket.
Oh wait, let me name mine. This is the Blue Bolt, and this is the yellow. Oh, I just had a good name.
The Yellow Jacket.
No. The yellow Comet. That's what it was.
And this one's called the Jet because we know it's really fast. And this one is called the Blue Hawk.
Dude, it's green.
You're
The Green Hawk. The Green Hawk.
The turquoise hawk.
The turquoise hawk. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of colorblind, so I can't really see the colors that well. I'm pretty sure this is blue and this is pretty and this is yellow, right?
Yeah, that's blue.
Right. Everything looks like bleached out. It's so sad.
See, look, what? They're different.
Yeah. All right. Let's do it. Yeah, when I was taking out the drawer, I was like, are these different colors? I don't know. All right, but let's do this video before it gets too long.
Let's
all right.
hope they don't fly away into the
This
road.
is for how far they go. So you have to choose your plane for which one you want.
This one, since this one is terrible. Wait, let me just. Yeah, it sucks.
That one's not very good. This one's kind of okay. It is really good, but it like turns and then it like hits the ground.
I need to.
It doesn't go very far.
Wait till the wind passes.
And then the next one is for tricks. So are you sure you want to use that one for tricks? Because you said that one flies straight.
This one doesn't do tricks.
That was pretty cool.
That was the wind.
Yeah, the wind is very windy. And I think some of my
It's a paper airplane battle today.
Yeah, but we're doing it anyway. So yeah, boys.
We don't care. We don't care.
And put your plane in the mint. So like, all right, there's like a mint. Like we planted mint, and we're putting it in the mint so it doesn't fly
It tastes
away.
like mint because I'm gonna eat them.
So it doesn't fly away. All right, let's wait for this wind gust to pass, and then you'll fly yours out, and we'll see whichever one goes farther. So go now. All right, Dash is went there. We're gonna wait for this wind gust to pass.
If you don't see it, maybe move right in front of it and see if they can see it.
Yeah, you can see it. It's like
That little blue thing.
All right. Wait for this wind, and then. Oh my God! This wind won't end. All right, I'm flying. Yeah! Mine won that one.
Wait till you get a piece of my yellow one.
Dude, mine is the yellow one.
Oh,
Stupid.
the white one.
This is the yellow comet. How? All right, this is for tricks.
This is the jet, okay?
All right, you fly yours first. This is not for how far they go. This is for the coolest trick.
What? This thing can't do tricks.
Exactly. Well, then why'd you choose it? I told you.
That one can't do tricks either.
Well, too bad. Go. You should have made your planes better. Hey, Dad.
Are you?
I'm in the middle of recording.
Is that a video that you were yelling at him on, or was that a
No,
joke?
I was. All right, we're back now. Sorry, just my iPad ran out of storage and I had to delete some even more stuff. Like these videos take up so much storage, so we might not be able to even post some of them. All right.
And edit.
We need to finish the video so we don't run out of storage again. All right, this is for tricks. All right, go Dash. You're so gonna love this. All right, that one was pretty straight. All right. And that one also went for farthest, and it did a trick. But anyway, Dash on some pretty good planes. If only he used that one for the farthest round, he definitely would have won if he didn't throw it at the ground. But anyway, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, Felicia.